All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. What's in the bag? Let's find out. Oh, wow. All right, so this is a product from a company called Spreads, Instant Spreads, and they basically, you can get instant noodles and then add all this different stuff to it. And it's known mostly in prisons for this being done. And they have basically taken that whole kind of community, like people will bring different things to the spread and put it together, and they just make like a really big feast out of all these different things. And what these guys are doing is make it so you can do that at home without the fuss or muss of going to prison. I guess that's what's going on there. So thanks to Big Tiny for shooting this over, and let's take a look at their product. And here we are. This is their original mix spread. And it says just add hot water, cooks in minutes, and it's in a zippered bag. No crushing, no mess, add hot water. Open it, add hot water or boiling water to inside your preference of texture, and sit back, let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes. It'll be hot. Looks like and then they've got recommendations like add chili beans, all sorts of different things. I'm like really curious about it. And you can see there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Check this out. Yeah, as you can see right here, this is kind of, you can get an idea that there's a lot of seasoning going on, a lot of different ingredients in here. So this is really cool. I'm really excited to give this a try, something new. So again, thank you very much to Big Tiny for sending this over. Yeah, you're gonna see reviews of this stuff pretty quick. This is exciting to me. And yeah, you can go to instantspreads.com and spread the love. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.